The best feeling I get is to eat something and know exactly what it's made of, especially shawarma. Guys, don't buy this shawarma, so make it at home, okay? Let's make shawarma today. Hey guys, so these are all the veggies we'll be using, and be free to use any, take any out. And you need a sauce when making shawarma, so some mayonnaise. To that I added some ketchup, and I'm going to squeeze some juice from this lemon. So you can add chili sauce, you can add black pepper if you want more, but we are keeping this simple so that everyone can make shawarma at home. So guys, after this you want to mix it very well to make sure everything is well combined. And next you also need some meat. I'm using chicken. Guys, I already posted how I made this chicken on my channel, so be sure to check it out, okay? And now it's time to assemble everything. So in a bigger pot I'm adding the cabbage, some cucumbers, some carrots, onion, and then some lettuce. Be sure to take out what you don't want and add what you want. So next I'm going to add in some of the sauce, and we are going to mix these veggies together. Just look at this goodness, guys. This is healthy, delicious, and easy to make. So after mixing everything, it's now time for the fun part. Ta-da! So we just push this aside, and you need tortilla wraps or shawarma wraps, and I got this brand from the supermarket. So let's get into it. So you take your pizza wrap, or sorry, shawarma wrap, and then you spread some sauce, just a little, not too much. And next you want to add your meat. In this case I'm using chicken. You go in with your mixed veggies. And then one more thing, you've not seen everything, we are adding some fried sausages. I did everything off camera because I don't want to waste your time. So after that you added a little more of the sauce, and we wrap it like 1, 2, we go again like 3 and 4, and ta-da! You finally succeeded in wrapping a shawarma. Very easy, right? So you are going to repeat the process until you are done with everything. Just add your sauce, add your type of protein, and then add your veggies, and then but the cucumbers add like so freshness, like some kind of freshness into your shawarma, so be sure to add that if you are a fan of cucumbers. So that's just what I'm doing. And guys, if you are still watching, thank you so much. Don't forget to like, to share, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And thank you so much for the love. So that's just it, and I'm wrapping these again. So next you want to just warm this lightly, okay? Be sure to check the fire so that you don't end up burning your hard work. And so you just warm one side slightly. If it browns like this, and then you flip it over for the other side to also just warm slightly, just to bring like the freshness back into the wrap. So that's just it. When it's ready, you want to take it off the fire. You can decide to enjoy this in whole, but I decided to just slice this. My little brother came and was like, Dorcas, I want shawarma, I'm going to buy shawarma. I was like, no way, I'm making you this shawarma. And guys, he was so happy, and all my siblings were happy, and we just enjoyed this. I hope you learned something new. Let me know if you've bought a shawarma which didn't go so well. Let me know if you are going to try this, and let me know if you have any recipe you want me to make for you, and I'll do that ASAP. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.